What if the moment you're thinking about quitting is actually the moment YouTube is about to push your channel? Not next month, not someday, but right now. And the scary part? Most creators never realize it. They look at their analytics, see low views, assume it's not working, and just quit right before everything changes. This isn't motivation, this is pattern. Because YouTube doesn't grow channels randomly. There's a very specific sequence of signals that show up in your analytics before a breakout happens. And if you don't recognize them, you'll misread progress as failure. I've studied hundreds of faceless channels, small ones, growing ones, and ones that suddenly exploded. And the pattern is always the same. Growth doesn't come out of nowhere. It builds quietly in the background, while most people think nothing is happening. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 signs that YouTube is already warming up your channel. And number 4 is where most creators panic and quit. Sign number 1, your click-through rate is slowly climbing. At first, it looks small. Maybe your CTR goes from 2.1% to 2.6% or 3.2%. Most people ignore it. But here's what's actually happening. YouTube is quietly testing your content on better and better audiences. Think of it like this. At the beginning, YouTube shows your video to random people. But as your CTR improves, it starts saying, okay, maybe this group likes it more. So it keeps adjusting and testing until suddenly it finds the right audience. And that's when things take off. So if your CTR is rising even slowly, that's not random. That's YouTube learning who to show your content to. Second sign, your watch time stays strong even when views don't. Because your views might look flat, subscribers not moving much, but your average view duration still solid and consistent. That's a huge signal. It means this, that the people who do click your video are staying. And that tells YouTube that you're giving the right content to the right people. You're not the problem. Your audience size is. And once YouTube expands that audience, that's when the numbers change fast. Sign 3, your videos start showing up in new places. At first, your views come from browse, maybe a little from your subscribers. But then something shifts. You start seeing suggested videos, YouTube search, even external traffic. This is big, because now YouTube isn't just relying on your small audience. It's introducing you to strangers, people who have never seen your content before. And here's the key. If those strangers respond well, your channel scales. So when your traffic sources expand, that's not random. That's YouTube opening the door. Sign 4, your impressions suddenly spike, but views don't match. This is where most people get it wrong. Your impressions shoot up, maybe 2x, 5x, or even 10x. But your views don't match. CTR might even drop. And you think my content is getting worse. But no. What's actually happening is this. YouTube is testing your video on a much wider audience. Not your usual viewers, but everyone. And of course, not all of them will click. That's normal. But here's the truth. You don't get high impressions unless YouTube is interested. So this is a green light, not a failure. And the creators who don't understand this often panic, change everything or quit. Sign 5. One video starts carrying your channel. You'll notice something strange. One of your videos starts outperforming everything else. More views, more watch time, and more traffic. It becomes your anchor. And this is one of the strongest signals you can get. Because now, YouTube is telling you exactly what works. Not guessing, not experimenting, just showing you. But then most people ignore it. They go back to random topics. The smart move is to double down. Turn that one video into a series, variations and deeper breakdowns. Because that's where your growth is hiding. If you're seeing rising CTR, strong watch time, new traffic sources, higher impressions, and one breakout video, you are not failing. You are in a growth window. And this phase usually lasts 3 to 4 weeks. That small window is where channels either break through or disappear. Most creators don't lose because they're bad. They lose because they stop right when things were about to work. They never see the result because they walked away too early. And someone else keeps going. Post a few more videos and suddenly, they're the one who blew up overnight. But it wasn't overnight, it was this exact phase. The one you might be in right now. If you're seeing even one of these signs, you're not stuck. You're early. Most people don't fail because they weren't good enough. They fail because they stopped during the exact phase that required patience. So don't overthink it. Don't switch niches. Don't disappear. Just keep going. Because the next video you upload might be the one that changes everything.